Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to show you how to make the soft slow stitch book. I have one in pink and one in purple. Now, I did one in pink already, but I'm starting the one in purple, and a viewer had requested to see how do you sew the pages into the cover. So I'm going to show you how to make the signature. It's really quick and easy. So let's get started. All right, so now to get started, let me show you how to put the pages together to make the one signature. And I'm going to use 2 pieces of felt and 1 piece of batting with a solid fabric on both sides of the batting, and then I will build on to that. So what I've done is, here's the signature that I'm going to be using, and I have the spine piece of fabric. It measures 5 inches by the height of the book, which is 7 inches this way, 6 inches this way. So it's a full 12 inches, but 7 inches here. So this is 7 inches by 5 inches is the spine fabric. And then I've pinned it into place. I used 2 pieces of chenille, pinned it to the felt, and now I'm coming in and going to pick out the fabrics that I'm going to sew onto each page. So the first page will be these 2 here that I've picked out. So I'm going to go ahead and pin those to the piece of felt. They overlap in the center, so I'm going to just pin it right there. Okay, now turn the page, and I'm going to pick out 2 more pieces for this page as well. So here are my fabric choices. I've already gone through all of my purple fabric, and I've picked out what I have. Okay, so this one I think I do not have more of, so I will put it here. This is overlapping from another page. And then I've used this one twice, so I'm not going to pick it again. I might use this one. No, I don't want a light. It's too light. You just have to go through and keep auditioning the fabrics until you get to what looks good to you together. Okay, I think I like that. I did use this one on another page as well. Let me see what that looks like. Okay, maybe I'll do that again. All right, now this side, let me see. I thought I did them all, but maybe I missed this one side. Okay, I think I did the back pages. Okay, that's what happened. All right, so now we want to work and do this back side. All right, so that's going to be those 2. And then any gaps, we'll fill it in with lace. Okay, so now then these 2 are done. This will be the fabrics for that. Oh, missed another one. Keep putting it away and too soon. And then here's a page that I've already completed, and I've stitched it to the felt, and then here's another page that's completed. It's already been stitched to the felt. And then what is remaining to do, so I've picked out the fabrics selection for these pages. So this will be for this page, and these two are for this page, and these two are for here, and these two are for here. This is for this page, and then the last page will be these two. All right, so that's all there is to it. Just pick out the fabrics for each page, and like for the batting, I recommend doing what I did. Put your foundation piece and then put layer on top of that, and then for the felt, just put your fabric right on top of the felt, since that's a little bit of a thicker foundation already. You don't need to add an extra layer. So that's what I did here. And then when you go back through, okay, now you will have all of your fabrics picked and pinned into place. All right. Okay, let me see what I did here. Okay, so I pick this one up. That one's already done on the one side. Okay, so this one's going to go for the time being. Just going to put it here. Where did this one fall from? No, here. Okay, that's where I have my spine, so I have to turn him back around. Okay. All right, so this page is the one that I have already pinned the spine fabric to it, so that has to be the last page. So that's going to stay as the last page. And I'm going to line it up, and then you can see this is not, I just have it pinned into place. Again, 5 by 7 is that piece, and then my other pages with the fabrics just pinned into place for now. Okay, and this one goes here. All right. And then when I have it all done, let me pin this one. Okay, then we'll close it up, and that's, I like that size. So look at the comparison. Okay, so this has 3 pages, and this had 4 pages. So that made this 8 pages, and this is 6 pages. So it's a total of 12 pages front and back here, and a total of 16 front and back here. And you already can see the difference in the thickness with just adding those extra pages. So I don't want this purple one to be as thick as my pink soft book. So this is already really nice. I like the way it feels. It's so soft. And when I get ready to sew the spine in, I will put a fabric or a lace here, and I'm thinking what would look really pretty to do is to make a snippet roll and then add that. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So I will make a snippet roll strip, and then I'll add the buttons and the charms, lace, and oh, that's going to just be beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that idea. And of course, yes, it will be in all the purple theme. So in this spine, it was a little bit different, but I love that idea. That's what I'm going to do. I'll put the snippet here, and then I'll just be able to tack it down. And then this will be my center fold piece here. And then I will stitch down the center into the cover, and then the side spine pieces, I will stitch these to the back page of the felt on this side, and then I'll stitch these into place, and then I will do the same thing over here, stitch this into place, add these fabrics. So what I'm going to do, the reason why I'm doing these and adding them page by page like this now, is because that gives me the opportunity to take these out individually, and I can slow stitch onto these individual squares of fabric. So I can add my laces, everything that I want to each of these individual squares, and then come back and add them to the piece of felt. I think that's going to be a much easier way to go about this. And then I'll decide, do I want the spine fabric to overlap this or this to overlap the spine? So I'm not sure yet which way that's going to go. But that's how you attach your pages to the spine fabric and then sew that whole signature into the cover just by sewing it straight down the middle. And I'll show you on my pink one. So right here is where I stitched that straight down the middle here. All the pages were sewn and attached through the spine. And you can see where I attached that fabric to that page, front and back. And then those, when I stitched it through, then you can see those stitches here. So in this book, you wouldn't see any of these stitches, which I'm the only one who sees it, so it doesn't matter. But then when I've stitched through this, when I come back over it with that snippet roll strip, that is going to be absolutely the finishing touch now to cover up all of those stitches that I made when I'm attaching the signature to the cover. All right, so I'm going to start decorating these pages one by one, and after I have them done, I will come back and show you the finishing result. And then when they're all done, I'm going to do a page a month. So this book probably will be finished by September of 2024. If I get it done sooner, then that'd be great, but I'm thinking I'm just going to work on a page a month. So that way it's not a rush and I can really relax and enjoy myself. So I'm really enjoying my Hallmark series, When Calls the Heart, and I'm going to be watching that, and I'm going to be sitting and I'm going to be stitching in my book. So I hope that you will pick up a kit and join me, follow along. The bird and flower kit is in the shop, so if you want to purchase it. And I have the pink slow stitch kit in the shop as well, but I will be adding the purple soft book kit to the shop as well. So look for that. So if you come and purchase the bird and flower kit, that can be used to embellish your soft book kit. And just ask me if I haven't already had it added to the shop. Just ask me that you'd like to purchase it, and I will add it. I may go in and add it as another option with the pink. I'm not sure, or I'll make a new listing. So I hope this helped you, because that was a question from one of my viewers. I appreciate that question. And so this is how you first of all assemble the pages and cut your spine piece, and you have all your pages that are together that came in the kit. And now we're decorating the pages, and next we'll be adding the laces and trims and doing some embroidery stitches on here. So next, one by one, when I get them all done, then we'll see how to actually attach the spine, the signature, into the cover. But I just have given you the overview. It's very easy to do. So thank you for being here with me today, and I will see you in the next video, where I will be showing you how I stitched on this page and what I added. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.